Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess, and today we're going to be making some fall themed fairy gardens. And so let's just kind of jump in and I'll kind of explain what I did at the very end. Alrighty, so here's the finished product. We have this purple fountain grass in the back, which brings in a really dark, nice accent. It has a little tuft on the end. I found this really cool stick, which when it comes closer to Halloween, will spin some cobwebs in it. This is, for the life of me, I can't remember, but I showed it to you on the screen here, so I'll include the name on the screen. But this is a perennial, and so I will be able to replant this into my garden beds once I'm done. This here is brass buttons. They are extremely precious. I thought they looked like little ferns, so that's why we included this here. This is, I think, a bellflower or type of flower here. It'll trail down the side, and I thought these little purple flowers just looked very fairy-like, and so that's why we're including them in here. And then we have this black pansy, which I did remove several of the blooms just because it will flush back very quickly. And then we have this really curly ornamental kale. This is a fairy house that I found at Hobby Lobby. I think it was $12. And then these are little pumpkins that I already had on hand. But isn't this just precious? And then we have our little stone pathway. Alright, so that is all for today's video. Stay tuned because in a couple days I'll be posting decorating the whole patio with this planter included. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Comment any questions you have down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.